You got a ducky?
I got a ducky.
Nice. You got one of your own. You got one of your own kinds.
The Minecraft button sounds.
It's my
yo.
pick.
Hold on. I got this. I got this.
It's my button.
Oh my god.
What are we going to?
My button.
The button has been pressed 155 times.
I pressed it a lot.
I have like a fire button on my. Oh. Hey, could you not, please?
I'm sorry. I can't help it. Like, the urge. It's the urge.
It is not the urge.
That's what I call it.
It's because you don't have the instance.
It is not the urge.
You
Isaac,
Obby,
you
and
gotta learn how to control yourself, bro.
I was the first one to finish the obby. Let's go.
No, I was the first one.
But do you have a sign on the top of your head?
Okay.
Yes, I already did. I already have it. Like I had it. I completed the obby twice.
I'm the highest of any of us.
Okay. Stop drinking alcohol.
I said hi, not drunk.
Whoa. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It's mine. I'm gonna jump off.
Dude, we were an ant. Oh,
It's a.
shut up, Isaac.
No, it's the.
Let's go. I got the easiest
Okay,
one.
you know what? Just to clear off my editing, I'll just cut out the entire part.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dude. I didn't know. Okay. That's why I hate her.
ducks are falling from the sky.
Wait. What? Oh
My God.
Oh, I thought you
Hey,
said.
your brothers are falling. They can.
Dang it! My army is gone. Bro, they
Quack.
just
Quack, quack, quack.
Bro, these people have speed.
Yeah, I know. This is unfair.
It was color coded.
I'm clicking it. I'm clicking it. There we go.
Blind.
No, it's gonna be me. I'm clicking.
What?
Bad.
I no longer completed the obby, so I can't be proud. No, my button. I want to press the button.
I clicked the
Your
element.
button?
Oh, yo, I'm good at this kind of stuff.
Parkour! Parkour! I'm a failure.
Oh,
Go jump into this guy's
What?
tummy. Let's go sacrifice! Woo! Sacrifice!
oh,
Woo! Sacrifice! Oh,
Shooting all of you.
dude, we're being sacrificed to the of noobs.
I'm going crazy.
Don't like my new haircut.
I like my new
I
haircut.
like Itachi.
No,
I like Itachi.
bro, I just went through the entire digestive system.
So did I.
Oh,
Diamond, no, Sterling, let me get the diamond, please.
bro, this was so
Yes.
funny. This is so funny.
Oh,
Oh, yo, let's go.
Ekoma.
Ah.
Yeah! Oh, Sterling, I don't know what to tell you.
Sterling is gone.
Now I don't have that nice, I like Itachi haircut.
Oh no, we don't. We lost her. I like your cut, G.
Thank God.
You can't sit on each other.
Can I sit on you?
I can't.
What?
You can't sit on each other.
What?
I was
game.
in the world again.
Another Squid Game, I'm gonna let you go everything because you're cool.
Okay, someone press the button.
What? Whoa.
Doge! 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 What?
Get it?
What is going on?
I want a Doge head. I want a Doge head.
Oh my God, you're so real. Look at this.
William, you
Oh,
don't have to...
The Doge is gone.
No, not this. Not this.
Dodge head, dodge head, look, dodge head. What if you
No,
jump?
I died.
Oh my God. Wait. What if we stand on the Doge? What if we stand
on the Doge?
Stand on the Doge! Stand on the Doge! No! The Doge! The Doge! No! I tried saving it. I tried
Get
saving
some
it.
money for
You
us.
didn't save it, you killed him. You
Can
murdered
I sit on you yet?
Why do you keep saying that?
Wait, we can sit inside of each other.
Please, yes!
Oh, I got big-headed.
Oh, ocean of...
Now this is a lot more realistic.
Wait, you're thin! You're thin!
Yeah.
This is a lot more
Thin.
realistic now.
Yeah.
No, that should. Oh, you look like Sterling. Sterling, you look like Sterling. Not gonna lie.
This is gonna be over 200.
300.
I can't jump. Why can't I jump?
Just
Man,
jump, bro.
This game is rigged, bro. I can't even jump. They killed me. I can't even jump. What did they do to me?
Jump. You just gotta jump, man. The more you say that, the more editing I have to do.
Exactly.
I want to explode.
You better not. You better not. Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me so angry.
Oh, spinning.
Oh. Is that a mouse?
I want to shoot you, Isaac.
But what are these people doing? Sterling! Sterling!
I'm gonna win this, bro.
Oh my god!
I
30?
got 24. I got 24. I was
This guy is
Sterling,
so good.
Sterling, no.
No! No! Oh my god!
What happens when you anger me, Sterling? You angered me. You didn't let me get my diamond. Just one diamond.
What?
You.
I survived the tornado attack.
You.
Hey guys, you wanna play in the tornado? I just saw you.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Oh dang.
Aww.
I got the eggs.
You
That's
got
so
no
iconic.
hands.
I got the eggs. Making Minecraft eggs.
Oh wait, no, is he not?
Woman
Is
with
he
a
not killing?
sword? Oh man.
Bro, did you guys like these when you were kids?
Yes.
I would. You know what I would do? I would wrap it up like a towel, and then I'd like swing it around, and then you know how you like get water out of a towel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd do that, and then it just sounded like a bomb went off.
Oh, okay.
And he sure.
No, everyone's got smaller.
Ha ha ha. I
Guys,
am
I'm
the
running.
here.
I'm
Giants.
running.
It's Titan.
I'm the adult.
Oh no! Oh no, it's a Titan! It's a Titan! Okay.
Oh, relax.
My diamond.
Oh,
No, my diamond, please. Please, no, not your diamond. I hate you guys.
I'm trying to get coins.
I hate
You're trying to get diamonds.
I'll push the bomb.
Don't push the bombs.
Push the
Well,
bomb.
everyone's pushing the bombs anyway, Sterling.
Push the bomb.
No,
Push the
don't
bomb.
push.
Oh my god! Dude, that guy!
Get out of here.
If you push
Ow.
the bombs, I push you.
Oh my god! That was so sad. Oh. Yeah, Doges! The Doges are back!
Stand on a doge. Stand on a doge.
Hey, Willie, you want to hear a funny joke?
What? Jump, man.
Let's see what I get. Let's see if this is realistic. This is not.
Bro, Bro, he just
This is the
got...
opposite of realistic.
Bro, he got thick. He got actual thick.
I shot you. You're
No,
dead
you
now.
didn't. I am not dead. I am
shot
dead.
you.
Diamond, though.
I shot you. You died.
I am dead.
I want the diamond. No.
I am big man. I jump on your head.
Oh my
I
god!
killed him. I jumped on his head so hard I killed him.
My hat's gone.
I'm alone, guys. I'm alone. I'm alone, guys.
LOL. No!
Yeah. I
Imagine
thought it was only one corner. I knew that yellow was getting picked, but I thought it was the corner that was getting picked to survive. It will happen again.
No way!
What
Did you seriously?
say?
Oh my god, Isaac won a luck-based game.
No, it's not luck based. It's so easy to game, bro.
I must push the bombs back onto the field.
No, you weirdo. Put bombs on the field.
Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Let's do that.
No, William.
No, just don't push the bombs. Just don't,
Oh my
push,
god.
don't press the push.
That bomb's gonna
Let's
explode.
go!
Yeah, explode.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god!
Oh my god.
Let's
You're gonna
go.
kill me.
Dang it, it didn't
You
explode.
murderer.
Oh yeah, let's I'm gonna follow this girl. Oh, she's lagging. Bro, no way is she this laggy.
Imagine I could just climb on top of the wall.
Okay.
That's not a win. Okay. Yeah, we got it.
Oh, I'm stuck to the wall.
31, I got 31. Yeah, let's go! Not even the top
31.
one beat me.
Hang on, I got 31.
Ah! No!
I'm gonna kill you.
No! No!
Oh my god.
No!
gave
Listen,
a child
Sterling,
a
it was
oh my
just
god.
luck! It was just luck!
You literally gave a child.
No!
Oh my god.
Sterling! Sterling! Sterling's a murderer.
I know, that's the point.
Oh.
No, Timon.
Oh, yo, dodge the boulders? Ah!
Dun, 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 dun. Oh,
Oh, we had it all the time.
What? How did I die?
Dude, Indiana Jones. Right?
Come on. Yes. Yes. Okay.
How did you make that?
Okay, go, go, go. You can make it to one. The other one, it'll be right there.
Okay.
Okay, now go, 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 go. Right now.
Come on.
You can make it to. No, you
No,
can
I
only
can't.
make it one.
I can make it one.
Alright, the next one hasn't spawned yet. You can make it two. It still hasn't spawned. Go another. It spawned. Stay there.
No.
Now go. You won.
Yeah, let's go.
Bruh, this sucks. No, Lillian, what the heck?
Come on.
You can make
Come on,
it.
Isaac,
You can make it another. You can make it another. You can make it another.
No.
Bro,
You
I
could've won.
suck at this game. Oh my god.
I need 100 diamonds.
Why do I want 100 diamonds?
I want a chumpy friend.
No! No!
Imagine getting found.
Please! 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 What is she doing? Whoa, oh my god. She just ran into a corner. No! She's coming! She's coming! She's coming! Oh my god. I'll just stay here for the rest of the game. What are you doing? Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! What? No way! No way!
The seashore was right there.
I don't know how you did not see. I don't know how she did not see you. Oh. No, I'm not gonna make it. Or am I? Yeah! Let's go.
Wow, Isaac died.
Isaac died.
My diamond, because Isaac died.
Roger, I'm gonna make sure you never live in Energy Assault ever again.
You not even live in Energy Assault anyways?
I don't care. I'm gonna make you sucker. You actual piece of an Amongst character. I hate you. Why would you do that to me? You know I need my diamonds. Why do you need the diamonds, huh? Exactly. I don't even know if you need your diamonds. You don't even have an explanation of why you need your diamonds. You just want them.
No. Please.
It's terrible.
I got
You
32.
gotta
I
get
got 32!
You know, it's funny. You would talk about people who died in my arms.
I can't help you, I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm too close to the edge.
No!
I don't want to see this game again.
I'm only gonna have 1 point. I don't even want any more points than that.
Come on, you gotta decorate it for Christmas.
No, you decorated. I'm lazy.
Why did these Christmas decorations look like grenades?
Because they are.
They are grenades.
Wait, what?
They're-
I see, so Santa Claus is planning to be a terrorist today.
No, he's just planning to be his name backwards.
No.
I got 31.
Okay,
No! Sterling won!
Good game.
Come on, I'll win.
No!
Let's- No, Isaac! Oh, we were the only ones that won. GG, Sterling. I knew you were a good sportsman.
You know what?
Oh, sword fight. Uh-oh.
Kill everyone.
Here, I'll kill this one.
Kill everyone.
This one looks
It's
like a
already
pretty
cool. Let's both want to both survive.
Sure. Yeah, let's get some diamonds.
Yeah.
This is free farming.
I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate.
Hey, you fell off. You fell off.
He
Here, I'll give you the diamond. I'll give you the diamond.
Okay.
You're gonna kill me either way.
No. Not if you stay alive.
I hate this game.
No, I wanted that coin. Okay.
I
I'm
need
sorry.
like 100 diamonds. Sterling, if you, oh my gosh. Sterling, start.
Uh-oh. Oh, yo, let's go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's go.
You deserve that. You deserve that.
I did it on purpose.
You deserve it. Just
Coin. Let's get some coin.
diamond. Diamond. You better not. You better not. You better. You.
Let me get the coin. Let me get the coin. Let me get the coin.
I'm gonna go
Oh.
jump off the cliff.
Come on, Sterling. You lost your sign. If I finished up Obby, and I'm proud.
He lost his sign and now he's taking it out on everyone.
Oh. We're in a galaxy. I feel like I can
You're not
fall
gonna
off.
gravity coil.
How are we breathing? Knock off the bomb. No, keep the bomb here. Keep the bomb
Yeah,
here.
keep the bomb here.
Keep it
Keep
here.
the bomb here. Yeah, keep it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no! No!
No.
No!
Stop.
No!
The bomb. Hold on. It's
Uh,
not.
uh,
No, I'm not gonna make it. Not gonna make it.
there we go.
We got 5 points.
Yeah.
The must character.
Wow.
No! Oh, what the? I tried getting the coin.
Where's the diamond? Diamond.
Oh my god! Coin. Okay.
Hee hee.
What? How did I die?
I don't want to play with you anymore.
I don't play with any of you.
No.
No one will check here.
Safe. No, I'm not. No!
Sterling, could I get approximately 72 ice cream?
Oh my god, Sterling died.
We got inside the thing. What?
Oh, she died.
You can go 2 more, or at least you should be able to. I'll tell you when this. Yeah, you can go 2.
Okay.
But stay there.
Yeah, Isaac, we're working as a team.
Go. And stop there. Go.
Yeah, we had all
And
the
after this, just keep going.
No, it's not safe.
No, don't keep going, mister. I think I'm so smart.
Go.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go,
Can I jump
Isaac.
off? Oh, I can't jump off.
We can't
Now
jump
we
off.
fight.
What?
Now we fight.
Yeah, I don't have a wooden sword. I keep getting the big hat. No, push it in.
Push it in, keep the bomb.
Keep it in. Yeah, let's go.
Get away from it. Yay, we killed everyone.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, it's Vsauce. Oh, never mind.
Let's see a staircase.
Hello.
Hello. Please. No. We didn't make it. No, wait. No.
That was my diamond.
That was my diamond. You know how many times you've done that to me? You can't say anything. I've been
Oh, yo.
so much suffering. Now we're gonna be playing. Who is dumb enough to do that? Who is dumb enough to put the yellow into the red?
Put the red into the yellow.
They're colorblind. They rigged the game.
Let's go. We won. We won. We're the winners.
Oh, yo.
Oh.
We have white hair.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, we didn't get to keep the white hair.
Dang. Why was he spitting?
Get in the hole.
Bro, you.
Hired someone.
I didn't get the diamond though.
What? Wait, he just found the correct. Oh. That's unfortunate. Oh. Oh. Dude, he found like 8 tiles. Goodbye, Isaac.
Ding 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 ding.
No. Okay.
Oh. No.
There's so many diamonds. There's so many diamonds. Why are there so many diamonds? There's so many diamonds and I can't get any of them.
There's only one diamond. Now there's a diamond.
No! Oh!
69.
Oh! No!
That's
I'm killing you. I'm killing you. I will shoot you now.
Oh, great. I'm just here for the diamonds, bro. Here for the diamonds, bro. You see how we're all ganging up on this one guy?
Yeah, let's do that. Come on. No, he's speed coiling.
No.
Yeah, let's
me.
go. Alright, Isaac, ready?
I just
3,
want the diamonds, bro.
2, 1.
This one's the diamonds. Dang diamond, I'm gonna kill you.
Hey!
You got the dang diamond. Okay, never mind. I gotta find it. I got a diamond. Okay, I got a diamond.
Oh, house. Let's go into the house.
Man.
No!
Bye, Sterling.
Sterling died. Oh my god! Noob!
Oh,
Yeah, let's go! My one of my own kind! Yeah, let's go! Hey, what's up? What's up, man? What's up?
Let's throw him off.
My brother. My brother. We must
Throw him
unite.
off, bro. Throw him off.
No, Isaac, you throw yourself off.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, I will.
I don't care. I'm gonna throw him away. You know, actually, this is a perfect distraction because then you can hang out with your brother while I steal your diamonds.
Oh, yo, let's follow this guy. He's accomplishing barely anything right now.
Anything I don't get, you guys need to get, okay? Is he even accomplishing anything? I'm not sure I'd get zero. Bro,
Wait, he was the only one on his team. Yeah! Whoa! No, don't push him. Don't push him. Don't push him. No! Don't!
Sacrifice!
You were my brother, Anakin.
Okay.
I love you.
Sacrifice!
No!
Sacrifice! Diamond!
Keep him in the center. Keep him in the center. No! Sterling! Sterling! What was that? Sterling, stop! Oh, boulders.
No.
No! No! He's gonna get killed! He's gonna get killed! Please! Yeah! Dude, this guy's living for so long.
Okay, Isaac's right here. I'm trying to bonk Isaac, but it's not working. He's not going into the ground.
Why is the hammer bonking is a pizza?
It's not a
In the
pizza.
item area? Why is it a pizza?
It's not a pizza.
It says it's literally the word hammer.
Look at cool chat. First you have hammer, and then you have push. I want you
Oh, dang.
What the hell is this?
I'm not hallucinating.
Well, guess what? You are. What? How are you getting this right? No way! No way!
Come on, we have to get your friend to the end.
What?
Yeah, kill him!
Wait, no! No! You better not! What? What? Wait, no! No!
Oh, no.
Oh, wait! He's still here! Let's get him to the end.
Oh,
he was standing on
it
it.
again.
Yo! He's the one with us! Yo, are you a relative of mine?
No. I'm your cousin.
So you are a relative.
No. We actually started hugging you. We're hugging right now. Aw.
Hold on, guys. I need to go for a minute. You know how that noob is AFK?
Yeah. No!
Did he die?
He died!
Let's go!
At least I still have you, Sterling. No!
I genuinely died, and I didn't
Wait,
have
did
the
this door
sword.
just say stop with the button?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Oh wait, hold on. I'll get there in a moment. The Doge!
We must not go to... Wait, we can go to red. We have the crimson nectar.
Yellow! Ah! So why do you want to keep the... Why do you want to get so many diamonds?
Sterling, I actually am in a character. Oh,
Yeah! Sterling's cut off!
I like that.
We need to become a noob, Isaac.
No! Let's play in the tornado. Let's play... Ah! Oh, I survived! No!
What the dog doing?
I'm dying. What does it look like I'm doing?
Oh, yo, he's back up! He's back up! Sterling still...
Be still, Gregory. Gregory, be still. You said it, not me.
Sterling? Oh, Caesar joined us.
Look who joined.
Alright, I think it's time to end the video now. Bye.
Okay, bye.